Mga ganun.
Okay. Minsan sabay eh, tapos magkaiba yung number. 5, 4. Your name, sorry.
Mickey.
Mickey and
Jericho.
Jericho. Join me up on stage. You'll get this nice round of applause from them. Si Mickey dito. Hi, Mickey.
Hello?
Have we met before?
No.
Have we met before? Hindi pa. Upo ka. Upo ka, Mickey. Yes.
Okay.
Tapos siya dito. Hey. Yan, perfect yan. Kita niyo siya?
Yeah.
Yes. He's large and round.
Mickey, just relax. Okay. Ito yung premise. This is the premise. As we get to know someone better, we create a connection with that person. Husband and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend, they have a strong psychic connection. We all know that. I'm stating the obvious. Yung mga babae, alam nila kung nasan yung mga lalaki even when he's far away. Saan?
Yeah.
Saya. Sige. In a moment,
I want to
I'll ask you to
guys.
close your eyes in a moment. I need you to be sensitive on what you will feel on your hand or on any part of your body. But at any point that you feel something, don't react. Just keep your eyes closed. Okay? Could be anything. It could be warm, something cold, or a tap, or touches, or tingling sensation. But at any point that you feel something or you feel anything, don't react. Keep your eyes closed. Wait for me to cue you to open your eyes. Close your eyes now. By the way, sino may lipstick sa atin?
Robin!
No, I don't wear lipstick.
Magic of TV, I haven't had one. Just in case. Relax. Let's start it. We'll bind their aura with love. Open your eyes. Did you feel anything? What did you feel?
Kind of warm.
Yes, aside from that. Did you feel the touch?
Yeah.
Wait. Saan? You don't have to lie to make me look good here, but you swear you felt touches.
Yeah. Because, yeah.
How many times?
One. Just one. Just get.
Did I touch her?
No.
I did not touch you. Siya yung tinouch ko. Sa back. And you, syempre, wala ka idea, nakapikit ka. Just for extra verification, naglagay din ako ng dabs ng lipstick sa kamay niya. Patingin mo.
Oh. I don't know if I had it. I don't know. Is it supposed to smell something?
Yes, yung lipstick.
Oh.
There, oh.
Wait lang.
Ito yung hirap eh, kasi pasmado yung kamay niya. Yeah. Well, at least she felt touch. Or touch.